Let's talk about the options column located in your dashboard. Go to My Jobs, and then you'll be taken to My Current and Completed Jobs. Go to Action Required and find the mailing you want to make any edits to. On the right-hand side, you'll see Options and then the Edit button. Click Edit to see all of your job options, including change job name, view or modify inserts, change schedule date, pause a job, delete job, or notify others. It's simple. If you want to change your job name, just click on it. You can change it to whatever you need to, and then hit Submit Change. Anytime you submit a change, you'll get an alert in the top right corner. Go back to Edit, and if you want to view or modify your inserts, you can click on that and it will take you inside your mailing where you can add a document or move your inserts around if needed. For now, we're going to go back to Jobs. We're going to click on Edit again. If you want to change your schedule date, you can choose to either add a schedule date or change it if you need it. So on here, we're going to hit Submit Change because we want it to go on the 23rd. As you can see, you'll have an alert again, and this time it changed our mailing to orange. If you need to make any changes again, you can go to Edit, you can pause a job. If you need a reason, you can do that, and then hit Pause Job. When you pause a job, it then changes it to yellow. And it also says that it's been placed on hold. Let's go back to the Edit button. You can choose to resume your job there as well. And as you can see, it goes back to white. If you want to delete your job, you can do so here. Hit Delete Job. We're going to keep that for now. But then if you also need to notify others of something that's going on with your job, you can type in their email address here and then hit Save, and they will be sent an email with the job information.